Them don't assassinate Haiti president. Now wow, how they take get access to a whole president? Ha, this one surprised me. We got access some individuals, now them go this president house where they call him Jovenel Moise. Now be this man, see they go in house. And then these people they gather go there like say they be US Drug Enforcement Agency. Under the same strategy. Some people dress, behave like say they come from work, I be they won't come do one kind of work or something for deal. Before they go see, they don't carry gun. Begin start to but I can't wait. Share security know them for this place. I be I want to talk this matter. Because I think say for president place, the kind of security where they get it really strong. I can't surprise maybe Haiti, maybe because now poor country, maybe because they no get money. Maybe they no can get money to hire security people. Because this one, it can't surprise me. My people, I beg, as we gather, this president, he don't die. And his wife said she even there for hospital. My people, make now follow me watch.
This is a developing story. What we know from the Prime Minister's office is that unknown assailants entered the president's private residence earlier this morning at around 1 a.m. It's time that they've told us. I've been told that it happened earlier. But they shot the president. He was mortally wounded. My sources have confirmed that he is in fact dead, and his wife was shot in the arm. She's currently getting medical care. That's the only thing that we know about her. We don't really have an idea on how serious her injuries are or who these individuals were. What the Prime Minister's office has told us is that they spoke Spanish. I also know that there were also individuals who spoke English. They claim to be part of a U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration operation. That is not true. And in fact, a high-ranking official in the Haitian government said that these were mercenaries. Now, who paid for them, where they came from, how they got in the country undetected, these are questions that we are all trying to get to the bottom of.
As I hear this one, it show me say, did that this man security, they just dey poor. I be this kind of thing in inside work. Because how person want a reason say a whole president. You just like make person get access to White House. Say you won't go kill a whole president. You know they happen. So this one, I sure say a person I do this one. And we hear say during the past time this year, like they say wahala they always happen inside this Haiti. See as it be the rate of kidnapping itself don't increase. And since when this man enter in internal, say now so different hardship. Say before that they complain so okay the country poor. But this man can't enter, the thing even come pop. It can't even worst. Now everything can't scatter. I can't be surprised. Maybe all this ones have joined. Now make people mean this president. Because they talk say when this president even enter. The time when suppose rule. Your time reach, your guy saying no go enter. Saying one rest. After 1 year. Now your guy can't enter, saying that time he ready to take over. Now people say if we vote you in, they help you count your tenure. They say your turn was supposed to end this 2021 for February. You self say no. Now 2022. I can't they want who even vote who in. It bless all this one and they say the man he no even care about the people where they inside Haiti. Say now only himself now they always focus on. I can't the reason I say it bless say this one now politics don't enter inside this matter. People don't they mean this man because they say the assassins will even come. The video where they gather, then these people now English and Spanish they speak. And we know say for Haiti, they know they speak these two languages. Now French and one other language, their language and they speak. So it means say this one, now a person send them. Now a person give them money, a person send them, say make them come this place, come kill this man. But I beg, what did this man do for now? Because in turn yourself go stay enough for just live and jeje. Make him go, make him carry himself go, now come go kill him. And regardless now two, in fact they shoot him head, this one like this, they won't make him die. Even in wife say, I sure say they won't kill him, but God just there on that one side. They don't fly her now, go Miami for treatment. You no can know. But she go even make her, but she no go make her. But I beg, what in Africa they turn into? What in these countries they turn into? This one will be say smart in now, what don't they shell? And I shall say the end time never reach. And I shall say soon God no go call everybody blood transfers, make everybody they come. Because the way where the killings just they come up, I don't even come to understand. Because even if this man offend one politician, we the guy people know to like this man like that. Because even as they interview people talk say they fight with the man. But still you self, Mr. If say you do these people, well, I sure say all this one, you know go reach all this matter. Because I sure say this man, this person, invest person. Now make person come reason and put am for mind. Come carry and say, okay, you self, I go show you Pepe. But for person to come outside like this, can't do this kind, it means they plan am. But their own police, they work together, say they don't catch some of them. Say and now they don't investigate who send them and who no send them. Say everything they go make sure say they get them well before they will come outside and talk this matter. My people, I hear this one inside Haiti. I want to make I bring and come. Make na self this na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel, make na don't forget to write am inside the comment section. Make na also not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video. Dem don sen ten ce ex-South African president to 15 months in prison. Hey! History. This one don break Guinness Book of Records. I never hear say forget the ex, make we just put the president. Say ex-president enter inside jail. Abeg, when this one go enter Naija? When this kind thing go reach our side? Because we know this man wey dey enter jail, e mean say him go see we. Him go use him eye see things and him go shock. People wey no like am inside that prison, they go show am pepper. Because this one, they just break history. Hey, President Jacob Zuma, when they talk, say they find him guilty for defiling court orders. This man said, now you bring problem to yourself. The second court, they allege you say, you dey into corruption, say you thief things. Come court, may they ask you questions. In fact, maybe you go answer yes or no, I no do this thing. They say this man no even go at all. He no even near the place because they feel say, as per president now him be the God of everywhere. Nothing go happen to them. Before we go see, Auntie George don't vex. Now the Auntie George give am jail sentence, say abeg, me go do small summer holiday inside prison yard. My people, making a watch.
South Africa's top court was clear and scathing in its ruling, declaring that the former President Jacob Zuma was a manipulative liar who'd sought to destroy the rule of law to save his own skin.
No person is above the law, and every person, whatever be her or his rank or condition, is subject to the ordinary realm of the law and amenable to the jurisdiction of its tribunals.
Jacob Zuma, already on trial in a separate corruption case, now has 5 days to hand himself over to the police. This is an extraordinary moment for South Africa. Mr. Zuma is facing jail for refusing to cooperate with this public inquiry into the corruption that flourished during his presidency. He insists he's innocent, a victim. But today, a man who last went to prison half a century ago for his role as a freedom fighter against racial apartheid is heading back to jail in the democracy he fought to build.
Una don see abi? You wey be say you dey on that trial case, they come invite you say, come make we follow you talk. You know, come. I no go surprise say soon this man go talk say in nowhere. Now make I no come because we know all this our African president and people. There's a big lie. They can't lie where this man go bring her come now. Even the judge go faint. I no go surprise say the man go come up with one kind but thing. And as we dey gather am, they say so many financial scandals now happen for this man ten the time when they rule. And say in fact they get about 40 witnesses. 40 people where they as witness this thing. But as it be, I no even sure say they're ready to hear all this one where the man do. As far as say he no come that court, when court talk say come, it means say for that side nobody there above the law. They don't give this man 5 days to bring out himself. If not, I sure say they go even add extra vacation inside that prison for him. Una they see where country they law they work. Una they see say for South Africa some people law and democracy still they work. I hope say this one where God do for inside South Africa, it go happen enter Nigeria and other African countries. Make we go see people negotiate. In fact, all these politicians they go they batter, they enter inside prison. Because we know say some of them as a dead there now money because of money, how to thief money now make them enter this place. But see this woman, she no even look and say now president, I been the governor, been anything. He give her the law face to face. With the reason I say 15 months more. Now because I dey call am 15 months, this one is like 1 year, 3 months. It plenty for my eye. A whole ex-president go sit down inside prison. But I sure say they go even give am special treatment. I sure say bed and television go dey inside your own prison because I'm not sure say they will go carry and join all those people who say they don't kill, do all those, because I sure say he no go even come out alive. Person wey don old like this. In fact, say resemble corruption. Person wey don old like this go come decide say he no go even see him. He no go see all this kind of thing. He sure me die. But now wow, a whole president, your own tenure you dey there, they consume money anyhow. So a president make na dey reason. If na one chop and say chop and small. No be say you go dey chop am, be say everybody go come know say you dey chop this kind of thing. Abeg in South Africa people abeg, make una borrow us on a court. That on a court and make una borrow us. Make we self use am inside Nigeria. I sure say this thing, it go touch every country one by one. All these politicians, they go later face them. All these presidents, they go later face them. My people, I hear this one inside Saudi. Want to make a bring and come on aside. Making ourselves using our ear. Hear everything they happen. Making don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.